Hi guys, today I want to show you this cool robot toy. I was sent this product for review. It comes with remote control. I think will be a great idea as a present for your kid or for your friends as well. So let me open the box. Alright. This is how it looks like inside. It has so many functions actually. Just take plastic. Wow, looks cool. Oh my god, this is the remote control. So, comes with instruction. Oh, it comes with 2 batteries, with some accessories to install it. So, we have all tools to open this. This is great to have at home. Inside the robot we have a battery, so it comes with USB charger. You can charge it and reuse it. So let's just connect right here. Then we can close it back. So start working. All right. It's touch screen right here. Oh my god. Alright, let's play. So guys, if you don't have a kids, but you have a pets, I think will be great entertainment for them. My dog, she's absolutely lost it. Oh my god. It's on the floor. So guys, this is really great toy. I love the quality, so many function. It comes with so many different accessories. You can switch it. As well, it comes with battery, with rechargeable battery, remote control. I will definitely recommend. Will be great idea for your kids as a present. You can buy it on Amazon.